Hi, my name is Mandeepak. Today I'm going to share you how to merge PDFs by using Power Automation. You might think we have many online tools to do that work, but what if there are several bunch of PDFs like 30 or 50 or 100 or 200 sets of PDFs to do same work? You might feel the repetitiveness and you might felt a boring task. So I will show you a new way how to do the task. For example, I am taking three PDFs, which is a set of 30 PDFs. I'm taking a question paper which contains the questions in one PDF and answers in another PDF. For the sake of convenience, I've named properly so we can able to uh, give a set properly for merging the PDFs. So we will start the process. First of all, we need to select all the PDFs, name, file locations. So we have to select all the PDFs what you want to merge and right click and copy the path. This was enabled only in Windows 11 version. Open in Excel blank workbook and paste the path and ensure the file location should be in a inverted commas. So place the cursor beside the column and open the inverted comma and paste the location, close the inverted comma, enter, and enter Control E. This is a shortcut key for flash fill. We have 60 PDFs. Enter. Select only questions should be 30. Copy. Open a new Excel worksheet. Paste it. Select only answers should be 30. Copy and paste them. After that, you need to give. After that, you should paste the new name for the merged PDF. I'm giving. Please ensure that it should not be in inverted comma. I'm placing them in a new folder named PDFs. So I have enabled this as a like this. Do it for two times and press Control Alt Control E. Control E. So you got all the three columns required. After that, like open this Excel worksheet, correct workbook. I have prepared everything here in the same format. you should give the formula of text join in the new name, copy and open Power Automate. Go to new flow, PDF, place the cursor here, go to flow sheet and copy entire flow and paste it. Paste it. Then run the flow. It will ask the Excel worksheet location. Please check whether any PDFs are there here. No. Next, copy the Excel worksheet path, Control Shift C and paste here. It should not be in inverted comma. Okay. And check whether any PDFs are created. Yeah, it's creating. See the count 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. We should get 30. Let's check one PDF. Content 21 pages of paper 1 April 20. Paper 1 April 22. And this one. 6 pages and 15 pages. Combined 21 pages. So it consolidated properly. The front it should be question and then answer. You should consolidate. You should consolidate the names by using either text join formula or you can consolidate concatenate formula or just by uh, normal formula. But you should ensure that the names should be in this in this order. The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It should be in a ascending order. The first should be question and then answer. After the delimiter was a comma and then the new name. New name should not be in between inverted comma, but the PDFs what you want to merge, it should be in inverted commas. Only these two steps you need to be remember, and everything was a easy thing. Those who cannot do, then simply copy the flow and then paste the flow and they can run the flow. If anyone was interested how to do this workflow from scratch, please ping me or contact me. Thank you.